Hi, my name is Katherine and I work as a facilitator for CASME. For the purpose of this recording, I will not be wearing my mask, but strict COVID-19 procedures are followed. So today we will be working with grade 7, term 3, the strand, energy and change, the topic heat transfer, and the subtopic conduction. Now before we go any further, as you would notice, lab safety is very important and many of your learners will not know this. So I've attached a PowerPoint presentation with the link below. You would notice that I have my hair up, my goggles on, my lab coat and also gloves, but I will not be using it because I'm not working with any dangerous chemicals. So in a nutshell, when I think about conduction, I think of something that actually is able to conduct. Now when we talk about conducting as in heat or electricity, so it allows the flow of heat or electricity, whereas you have insulators and they do not allow electricity or heat to flow through. So we are going to test this theory. So in front of me, I have my gas lighter, my Bunsen burner, my tripod stand, my wire gauze mats, and I have a little device here that has 5 different metals. The yellow one is brass, the shiny one is your stainless steel, the matte one is lead, the rose gold shade is copper, and you can see the last one is aluminium. So let's get started. So you don't need much, just make sure that each rod is covered with water. Next you take a little bit of petroleum jelly. Just make sure that you have the same amount on each drawing pin. You can use your fingers. Take the Bunsen burner. So you will have to observe which drawing pin will drop first. This will indicate which metal is a good conductor of heat. So what happens is that the cold water will get heated and that heat will move from the water into the rod and it will actually cause the petroleum jelly to melt. And copper is the first one to fall. Just think about it. Why did that one go first? And think about the plumbing in your house or what's found in the wires, in the plugs. Can you guess which one would be next? Okay, so copper was the first. Aluminium was the second, and now we wait for the third. The time that it takes for each drawing pin to drop is dependent on the amount of petroleum jelly that you use. So that's why I said it's important to make sure that you put the same amount on each drawing pin, or try to. because it can affect your results. Okay, so third one is brass. Okay, and then goes lead and stainless steel. So you can switch off your Bunsen burner now. Be very careful because it's very hot. And you can press it down. Okay, as you can see, in general, metals are good conductors of heat, but copper much more than the rest of them. And that's why you would notice that copper is traditionally used in your plumbing and in your electric wires. So I hope you had fun, and that's all from me. Till next time.